Ja. Oké. Come give me my kiss. Come give me my kiss. Waarom? Waarom?
Ik zie wat je doet, hè?
Hey amiga, welcome back to a new vlog. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross and I'm back at it again with yet another video. Today's video is obviously a vlog. I just came back from the Netherlands and I'm about to unpack my bags and make myself back at home, you know, like make myself feel good at home. The thing is, I was in the Netherlands for a whole week, and that is just because we didn't have any warm water. If you have seen my previous video, I already spoke about that. The issue is fixed. We have warm water again, and yeah, it was time for me to come back home. So during my time in the Netherlands, I collected like a lot of things. So I'm gonna just unpack everything, and I thought I would start a new video here because I need a lot of vlogs and I'm gonna participate in Vlogmas this year. I wanna upload as much as possible. So I figured I would start like trying to vlog on the daily already so that I'm already in the flow of vlogging a lot. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing right now. And I also ordered a pizza because I'm not gonna cook today. They're gonna come and deliver groceries also later. So pretty relaxing, getting back into things. Tomorrow I'm working. I think I'm gonna work from home because, you know, it's been a lot traveling today, going to work tomorrow. It's just a whole lot. Maybe I'll go on Friday to the office, we'll see. But yeah, that's that. Let's unpack my luggage. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a nice comment down below letting me know what else you want to see on my channel. And let's go ahead and get into it.
Release me, I'm moving on. Feel the speed of my ride. No worries, no more, no, no. Here's your bitter goodbye. Like ooh.
Okay amiga, my pizza is here. So I'm gonna have my dinner now. And I have a San Pellegrino to go with it, the lemon one. I'm so freaking hungry. After this, I think I'm gonna edit and get my videos in check because I wanna upload a video today since I didn't upload on Sunday. So after this, I am gonna work on my vlog real quick. It's now almost, what time is it? It is 5:30 right now, so I'm gonna eat while I work on my vlog and try to have the vlog up by 8, I think, because yeah, that would be a great time. You know, I didn't upload on Sunday and we do not want to fall off our game, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Air bike here that I'm gonna be biking on. I'm gonna put on some music and get started with this. So I think I'm gonna do this for about 40 to 45 minutes or something, and then after that I'm gonna also do like a little workout upstairs that I'm just gonna find on YouTube. But yeah, let's get started with this. Let's do this.
I can't say these cause my last name ain't Ken. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she pays tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah, yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song.
Alright, Amiga, I finished doing my little workout. And I decided to go on a little walk, just a block, you know. I thought I could do more and I'm a little disappointed. However, I need to learn that today is my first day after a very long time doing this again. So I need to build it up again. Like, fitness is just a very ungrateful sport in my opinion, because when you get thrown off and you don't do it for a while, you need to rebuild yourself. So that's basically, hello, that's basically what I have to do now. I just have to start over, and it's fine. It's totally fine. But yeah, I'm now gonna do a little block, enjoy like the fall leaves and the fall weather. It's a nice day today, and just get some more movement in the body, you know. And after that, I'm gonna come back home and take a shower.
Ja. Okay. Come give me my kiss. Come give me my kiss. Waarom? Waarom?
Ik zie wat je doet.
Bye, Danny. Be nice. No, ik ga gewoon komen. Alright?
Ook als het regent, dan is de ene keer.
Yeah, my mom gave me an umbrella, so I'm gonna come. Alright?
Ja.
Alright. Love you. Bye.
I finished working an hour and a half ago, and I thought I would share with you some things that I got from my mom that she brought for me from Dubai, from the Sephora there. And also when I got home, there were a few packages, so I wanted to share with you all these little things. Let's start with Dubai. Since I'm such an incense gal, my mom brought me this thing to burn some incense in. She also gave me like a few incense sticks and stuff. But thinking about it, I think I forgot the incense at my mom's house, which isn't too smart. Anyway, she also gave me like these menthol crystals, and they are for like when you feel sick. You can just put them in your steamer or in a bowl of hot water, and then you can steam in and just open up like your airways and stuff. Your airways, is that how you say that? Like, I don't know, your sinuses and stuff. So yeah, that's that. Then she also brought me two of my favorite foundation. This is from Huda Beauty, and I am in the shade Gingerbread. And this is the Faux Filter foundation. I finished so many of these, and currently they also sell them here in Belgium at the Easy Paris. So I won't have to go through too much to get these, but yeah, two of these, which I'm really happy with. Next up is this is the Fenty Beauty concealer, And I am in the shade 350. This is the Pro Filter one though. I finished so many of these as well, but it's just such a good concealer. So yeah, I got 2 of that as well. Then I also got a new makeup sponge from Kiko. She also gave me this one. Oh, this is the color. So it really fits very well into my everyday eyeshadow looks. I love colors like this. And she gave me a whole lot of things to try that they gave her that she won't be trying. Garlet, and it is the Aqua Allegoria perfume. And what she told me is that you can spray this on top of your favorite perfume, and then it will give it like something extra. So we definitely need to try that, but you can also wear it by itself. And then she also gave me this like little bottle of Saffron Lazuli. This is also from Carolina Herrera. And let me open it up to show you. This is what the bottle looks like. And I already smelled it. It smells so good. I also got this one. This is the Voce Viva from Valentino, which I'm very happy about because that is also good. And Isi Miyake. Isi Miyake Nui. So fun things to try. Then I also got a few things in my hometown. I got this is so funny that I'm even sharing this. I got a box of matches because I don't know, I just like nostalgic things, and I thought it would be fun to have, like to lit my incense and also my candles. You know, that time of the year is coming, so yeah, I thought that would be fun. And I don't know, I just love a box of matches. I think it's something so fun. That's weird, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, at Action, I also got a new notebook. It's just the Action in my hometown, and the paper in the notebook is really, really soft. I love notebooks. And the one that I have, like to plan out my videos and stuff, was becoming a little full, and I accidentally forgot it at my mom's. So thankfully, I have a new one at the local supermarket in my hometown, Albert Heijn. They have like this little shelf with a lot of books, and what you can do, which I thought is so fun, is you can donate books or you can take books. And the thing is, like, when you donate books, somebody else can take them, and after you are done reading it, you can donate it back to the shelf. And I decided to take this one. It is the Flashback story. It's a thriller, and it's from Mariette Middelbeek. So it spoke to me, and I thought it would be fun to read. So I'm gonna read it, and then when I'm gonna return it, I'm gonna donate a few books for myself as well. I thought that was such a nice idea and so fun that they do that there. So really like it. And then when I got home, there were like some packages as well. So I thought I would talk about those. First of all, my boyfriend really missed me since I was away for a week. He bought me My Way from Giorgio Armani. And this is what the bottle looks like. This is the intense version. It's so good. I have like a little bottle to try last time I went shopping, and it was so freaking good. And I told him about that, and he decided to buy me this and surprise me when I got home. And then I also have, I thought it was a perfume, but it is a soap, a very bougie soap. I don't know why he decided to do this, but I thought it was really, really cute. It's the Miss Dior soap. So it smells, oh my god, it smells so good. So good, bougie, but really cute. And then I also got a whole bunch of testers in here. That is the Chloe perfume to try, and then also the Very Good Girl from Carolina Herrera, but I have the actual bottle of this. So this will be nice for in a purse. Then we also have Bad Boy. That one is for Benny, I think, to try. And then the Valentino Umo. This one. I don't know if this is for women or for... Not sure if this is for men or for women. But we'll see. And then also the Repetto Paris perfume. This is a little bottle though. Let me take it out for you to see. Oh, you can see it like this. This is what it looks like. Pretty cute. Also like a pocket-sized little perfume, which is really nice. And there's a few more things in there, but you know, it's okay. I recently got these before I went to the Netherlands. Like on the day that I went to the Netherlands, but I forgot to vlog it in my previous vlog. I got these two. I already had this one and it's a refill bottle. This is my all-time favorite perfume. It is Alien from Mugler, and this is so freaking sexy. Like, oh my god, this perfume, I always get so many compliments on it when I wear it, and it is just the baddest bitch perfume ever. This will have men like going crazy for you. Alien. I think every bad bitch knows about this perfume. I'm not telling you anything new here. But anyways, I got that one refilled. And then they now also have this one. This is Alien, but the Goddess version. And Willow Smith is actually the face of this perfume. But this, oh my god, this is also a bad bitch. But this is more like a bad bitch being a bad bitch on the down low, you know. Like this one is very loud and it fills up a room, and it just like, you know, it you can't miss this one. And this one is like more subtle, more for like work, more for like, you know, I'm sexy but I don't have to be all out there doing too much, you know. What is this way of describing things? I really don't know. But anyways, I have these two now also back in my collection, and I'm really happy with them. Then when I got home, I also received a package from Lovely's by Lulu. I can't show you the front because I don't want to expose my address. First off, we have the card. It says Dank je corazón, which means thank you from the bottom of my heart. And then on the back, it says Lovely's by Lulu and her website. We just love like these little cards. The card is a little personal, but I can read it to you. Can I? Well, she just basically tells me like, thank you so much for my order. And she really appreciates me ordering. So that is really nice. The actual package, beautiful as you can see, like a pink little box. Everything is eco-friendly. So that's really nice. Then it also comes with the two cards of the jewelry that I have. One is a rose quartz and the other one is the amethyst, which are my two favorite stones. Amethyst is my birthstone, so that's so fun that I got that. So I got two pairs of the dainty earrings. This one is the purple one, this is the amethyst one, is the rose quartz one. Both so pretty and so cute. I haven't tried them on yet, so look at that. That is so cute. So yeah, make sure to check. I have so many other beautiful jewelry from her. Like all of these I also received from her in the past. And so make sure to check her out on Instagram. Check out her shop. So show her some support. She also have like some sales going on right now. And especially with the holidays coming up, I think it's such a great moment to support a small business. And honestly, I genuinely enjoy all the jewelry that I have ever bought or received from her. Like, I love all of it, and it's just a reminder to be thankful. It's a reminder to like manifest and believe in yourself. I just love all the meaning behind all the jewelry. Everything is properly explained and on their website, and also on the card that she sends you. She also explains how you can take care of your jewelry so you can enjoy them for the longest time. She also got me into crystals and stuff. Like, I am genuinely obsessed. But yeah, that is it for my little haul. I'm going to now, what am I gonna do? I think I'm gonna journal a little bit, because that is something that I need to do. I haven't journaled in a long time. I was supposed to stay at my mom's just for a few days, but I ended up staying a whole week, and I didn't bring my journals with me that I use for journaling. So I think I'm gonna do that now and put all of this away. And yeah, I'll show you how I journal. amiga, it is journaling time. I like to just set up a good vibe for myself by just lighting some incense, putting my diffuser on, lighting some candles, some background music, some inspiration on Pinterest, on my screens, things like that. And I also like to keep my crystals close. And I have multiple notebooks. I know this sounds crazy, but I have this notebook in which I make YouTube goals, like YouTube videos that I like to schedule and write out. Is also a way that gives me more structure when it comes to my videos, more structure when it comes to the things that I need to do. I make like little to-do lists for my YouTube videos in this notebook. Then I have also a notebook that is for just brain dumping, and that means like just writing down everything that I've been through. It's like kind of like a diary kind of way. Just I write down everything that is on my mind, things that have been bothering me, things that I want to change about myself. Like this is just more like everything that I have on my heart. I will just write it down in this, and it helps me out so much. I have another notebook. This one is my Law of Attraction notebook. In this one, I have like a specific way of writing things. I do one page in which I just write down gratitude. And I do that by writing down all the things that I'm grateful for. I'm gonna give you like a quick little example. I'm grateful for the fact that I'm healthy. I'm grateful for my loving boyfriend. I'm grateful for my supportive sister that always believes in me. Things like that. And I just continue with all the things that I can come up with in that moment, and write them down. Everything that I'm just grateful for. Then I continue with the next page and I do a release page. I write down all the things that I want to release. Like for example, on the 6th of October, I wrote, I release fear of the unknown, fear of failing, fear of not living the life that I have planned for myself. Like everything that bothers me and that I want to just release, I write it down in here. Negativity, all those type of things. And then I have a manifestation page, and on this page I always write things that I want to attract. So I write down, for example, I'm a beautiful woman and I look beautiful on the inside and out. I radiate love and light. I make progress towards my goals constantly. My mailbox is filled with beautiful collaborations. Like things like that I write down on my manifestation page. Then I also have like a scripting page, and on this scripting page I write a letter to my future self, and I'm writing the letter as if I'm already living that moment. So how I want it to be in a year, that's how I write the letter to myself. This is a little personal, so I'm not going to read this to you, but it's just to give you an idea of how I journal. If anyone wants to get into journaling, then this can be really helpful, you know? Then my last notebook is a shadow work notebook, and I am very new to this, but this is basically just journaling prompts that I find on the internet, and I just write them down for myself. So I can read a few to you. What I'm most proud of, and then I just fill out what I'm proud of in that moment. Then prompt 2, what I have achieved today, and I write down everything that I achieved that day. What I would tell my future self. So just questions that I find on the internet, and I just fill them out for myself and according to how I feel that moment. So that's that. I'm really new to that still, so figuring out my way around this. If you have tips about shadow working, then let me know. But that's that. And I also work with dates with everything. And then I have the last one. This is very new, but it is Burn After Writing. It is a little book that is already set up for you, and it just asks you questions about your past, about now, about like all type of things. and then you're supposed to burn it after you are done filling it out. And it helps you to figure out your path and help you figure out your creativity and things you're good at, things you may have forgotten about. It revisits like parts of your past and your future and all of that, you know. So I'm hoping to feel very inspirational after filling out this one. And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna get started with all my journaling work for the last week. I'm gonna try to do this more often and more on a weekly basis. It's been kind of meh. I noticed also that like the shadow work is a little difficult for me because sometimes it confronts like past traumas that I don't really like to talk about or that I'm trying to avoid all the time. But I'm gonna try to really fill out all of these right now. So yeah, journal with me. Okay, amiga, I finished journaling in all these 3 notebooks. The burn after writing, it's a little much. My hand is hurting a little bit of all the writing. So yeah, that's enough for today. Benny is also home and we're now gonna have dinner. It took me about an hour and a half, and that's just because I had a lot to say apparently to my notebooks. Like always, the shadow working really, you know, got me a little bit. I was tearing up a little bit because of the things that the questions that I asked myself and that I was writing about, but that's completely normal. There are just things that happened in the last few days that I was in the Netherlands, and those things like really bothered me. So like rewriting about those things are just not fun, you know. I was body shamed. And I talked about that in my previous video, but that shit just really bothered me a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna do some editing and maybe some coloring if there's still time. I do have to work tomorrow, so I can't make it too late. I finished off the night by having dinner with my boyfriend. After that, I made a cup of tea and also edited some videos, and I forgot to film an outro. So thank you so much for watching, amiga. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon in another video. Love you. Bye. Mwah.